So this is 2018 Section B question 4. So the elevation and end view of a torch are shown. The torch consists of a truncated cone A, so that's cut cone, and a cylinder that's truncated there at 60 degrees. A 3D graphic is also shown. Draw the given elevation and end view, so elevation and end view, project a plan from the elevation, draw development of the conical surface A, and draw development of the cylindrical surface B. So that was 35 apart, that was 85. To get this line I measured in 15 millimeters, drew a line at 60 degrees, and where it hit there, the 85 line was where you stopped. Alright, how did I get the heights up? Well, in the end elevation, the big circle is diameter 64, so measured up 32, half 64, drew in the circle. Okay, the cylinder B diameter is 32, so at the center point I drew in a circle radius 16, and I brought the vertices across for the cylinder B. And then for the cone I could simply just join these up like that and that there. Now so I'll start completing the end elevation there. So I might circle in there, it's hidden detail. Alright, and then this line here is this point brought over, and it's hidden detail. So we have to draw the plan. So we're going to project all our lines down. Projecting our lines down, we're going to do a 45-degree line from the corner of the elevation, and we're going to take the limits of our circle down. So the limits of the circle down, I'm going to bring them across now. Okay, now I'm going to heavy in what I can heavy in before I move on to completing it. So I can heavy in this line here, this one here, this one here. I'm just going to sharpen my pencil there quickly. And now I'm going to divide the circle up in end elevation into 60-30. So I'm going to divide this up into 60-30. So I've divided that up into 60-30. Now I'm going to label this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I'm going to do the inside one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I need to get these green points onto the elevation, so I'm going to bring them across here. And then, oh, you don't need to get them there, right? So that's not a curve, or that there doesn't need to be worried about. It's not a sloped surface. It's a vertical surface there. I need to bring 11 and 7 down here. So I'm going to drop them down. And I'm going to bring them across here. So I've got to label my points in elevation. So this is 3. I'm going to zoom up here. So this is 3. This is 4/2. This is 5/6, or 5/1 rather. This is 6/0, and this is 7/11. 7/11. Right. So I'm going to drop these points down. So I'm going to drop these points down. Okay, now, so I'm going to follow 0. I'm going to follow 0 down, across, 0 over. So that's point 0. I'm going to follow 1 down, over, and 1 down. There's point 1. I'm going to follow 2 down. So I'm going to drop 2 down. And 4 down. I'm going to bring them across. So I'm going to bring 2 down and 2 over, so that's point 2. 3 down, 3 over, that's point 3. 4 down, 4 over, that's point 4. 5 down and 5 over. Tiny bit off there. I really wanted them. I'm touching the same one. So there's 5 down, 5 over. There's point 5. Then 6 down, 6 over. There's point 6. Then 7 down, 7 over. There's point 7. And back to 11 here. 11 down, 11 over. Now. 7 joins to 11 is a heavy line, is a line there. It's a heavy line in plan. So there we go. Now I'm going to pause and freehand sketch those points in. I have those points marked in, so I can connect them together. Connect them together. Now we have to do the development of the conical surface A. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the true length of the cone before it was cut, or the extreme generator length. So I'm just going to take my set square, extend on this line until it hits the center. I'm going to take my compass, I'm going to put it there, bring the nib to the vertex. I'm going to take the radius from any point I want now. Okay. I'm going to swing an arc here. So I really need to sharpen that. Now, this is our apex. So I'm going to take my compass now. I'm going to set it there between 0 and 1. I'm going to lift my compass and I'm going to start wherever I want on the arc. And I'm going to mark that around. Okay, I'm going to mark the start point there, 0, and I'm going to mark it around 12 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 0. It's all that. Now, I'm going to join all these numbers to the apex, so I'm going to pause that and do that. So there I've them marked in. Now what I need to do is take my compass, put it back here, bring it to the point at which the cylinder or the cone becomes truncated, lift, mark it in here, and then here's the development of the truncated cone. So there's the oh, you nasty fecker. So there's the truncated cone. Now to do the cylinder, okay? So we're going to extend all the lines down here from elevation and plan right down further, okay? And we're going to set up our development here, right? And we're going to take our compass, set a distance between 0 and 1 on the diameter 32 circle. So 0 and 1. We're going to mark this 12 times. So 1, 2, 2, 3. And I'll keep doing that and I'll label the points afterwards. I've labeled the points now, but notice the way I've done it. 3 is the one that starts. The shortest length will start at the end. So it goes 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, then 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now we're going to bring these. Okay, I'll just move the visualizer down a bit. So we're going to bring these lightly across. Now, I'll zoom up here, where 3 hits number 3 coming down here is point number 3. So here's point number 3. 4 coming down hits 4 is point number 4. 5 coming down hits 5 is point number 5. So I'll zoom up even more. 6 coming down hits 6, 7 coming down hits 7, and that's going to go on all the way to 11 as a straight line. 0, where 0 hits 0, where 1 hits 1, where 2 hits 2, and then 3 hits 3. Okay, and then we're going to heavy those lines. I'm going to freehand sketch the curve in. So we can freehand sketch there, freehand sketch there. Right, and I'll zoom out there, and that's your question done. So it is, that is the question done. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.